Let's take a look at the calibration of a HART-type pressure transmitter using the ConST318 calibrator. Before calibration, connect the unit under test and the 318 with the test leads and turn on the 24-volt power function. If this is the first time using the 318, you can refer to the connection diagram in the Help topic, which is in the main interface. After connecting, press HART on the keyboard to enter into the HART function, then press OK. Along with providing 24-volt power, the ConST318 has a built-in 250 ohm internal resistor. Select Internal Resistor, then press OK. Once communication has been established, choose the right unit under test. Press Select, then OK. Press F1 to enter the process functions. The measured variables from which to select are pressure value, percent of range, current output, loop current, along with other variables. Press F3 to enter setup functions. You can toggle to the required change, such as modifying the tag of the unit under test. Pressure units can be selected in this section. Also, the low and high values of the range can be modified. To modify the low and high values of the range, select Basic in the Setup menu by pressing Select. Now use the soft arrows to toggle to the upper or lower limit values. Then press Modify. Input the new range value, then press Done. Press F2 to enter the service functions. In this list, you can select among Loop Test, PV0 Trim, PV Calibration, Output Trim, and some other special calibration functions. In the Loop Test, you can test the loop by inputting any current value within 4 to 20 milliamps. The Output Trim, PV Calibration, and PV0 Trim functions can all be used for calibration of HART equipment. Take the Output Trim Calibration function, for example. First, select the low output point trim, then press Done. Then you will see the interface displaying three variable items: PV value, measure value, and trim value. Press Fetch to get the current value. Then press Trim to trim the low output point value. Then the screen will return to the low-high output point trim. Now arrow down to the high output point trim. Then press Done. Press Fetch to get the current value. Then press Trim to trim the high output point value. If there is a large difference between the current output of the transmitter and the calibration points, repeat the calibration several times to resolve the error. You can use the special calibration function for calibration of locked analog output transmitters.